Welcome to LearningHub Unlocked, a series where we help you unlock the keys to success in LearningHub. Today, we will be unlocking notifications. To manage your notifications, click your profile picture and select Notifications. You will see your email address to where your notifications are being sent, an option to get a summary email notifications daily or weekly, and an entire list of what you can get instant notifications for. Here's the big one, announcements. We recommend receiving notifications for announcements as CLS is putting updates and important information through announcements. Make sure to click and hit save. Take this key to success and try unlocking notifications in your LearningHub today. That's a wrap. Keep coming back to gather more keys to success with LearningHub Unlocked, where we are empowering you to bring your SmartLab to new heights.